Have you noticed how fast this year is moving? One moment it was January and you promised yourself that this year would be different, and now months have passed and life still feels stuck in the same routine. But here is the truth most people forget. A year is not lost just because you started slowly. The direction of your life can change in a single decision. Stoic philosophy teaches us that life is not controlled by circumstances, but by how we respond to them. The first rule to reset your life is simple but powerful. Stop waiting for perfect clarity. Most people sit still because they want a perfect plan. But clarity does not appear before action. It appears because of action. When you take one step forward, even a small one, the next step becomes visible. The second rule is to identify what is silently draining your energy. Before adding new goals, ask yourself what in your life constantly leaves you tired, frustrated, or unmotivated. It might be negative habits, endless scrolling, toxic relationships, or a mindset that constantly tells you that you are behind. Removing even one of these drains can create more progress than adding 10 new habits. The third rule is to focus on identity instead of outcomes. Instead of saying, "I want success," ask yourself, "Who do I need to become?" When you start acting like the person you wanted to be, someone disciplined, focused, and consistent, your results naturally begin to change. The fourth rule is learning to sit with discomfort. In today's world, whenever we feel bored, anxious, or uncertain, we immediately escape into distractions like social media or entertainment. But discomfort often carries important information about our life. It might be telling you that something needs to change, that a decision needs to be made, or that you are meant to pursue something bigger. If you learn to stay with that feeling instead of running from it, you begin to understand yourself at a deeper level. The fifth rule is redefining success. Society often tells us that success means money, status, or recognition. But many people achieve these things and still feel empty. Real success is waking up each day knowing that your actions align with your values and the kind of person you want to become. The sixth rule is building systems instead of relying on motivation. Motivation is temporary. Systems create consistency. A system could be as simple as dedicating 30 minutes every day to learning, improving your health, or building a skill. When something becomes part of your routine, progress becomes inevitable. And finally, the seventh rule is committing to the long game. Most people quit too early because results do not appear immediately. Stoic thinkers believe that greatness is built through patience and persistence. When you truly commit to a path without constantly searching for an escape route, your focus and effort become much stronger. The reality is that changing your life does not require a dramatic transformation overnight. It requires small daily decisions that align with your purpose. Start moving, remove what drains you, become the person you want to be, embrace discomfort, define success on your own terms, build systems that support your growth, and stay committed even when progress feels slow. If this message inspired you or gave you a new perspective, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and comment below which rule you are going to apply in your life starting today. Your future is built by the decisions you make right now.